head of Adishiaye, or the Adult Literacy Program, from the Information Center down there from the town, or in the town, Brekusu. And I took advantage of it to see what's going up there, even though I had a little bit of education. Adishiaye has impacted a lot of skills in me in terms of speaking English, in terms of mathematics, in terms of chatting with my peers. I mean, dealing with money, I can now communicate with them, and especially the mindset side of Adishiaye. At a point in time, I told Lenny to cut off the mindset program because I'm not seeing how it is helping us. Then Lenny made a statement saying the mindset program is the best to him. But I've really understood why Lenny was saying the mindset, because we have been taught how to think critically, and we have identified between a growth mindset and a fixed mindset, which we are applying, or I am applying in my daily life, and it's helping me. So that is it. I mean, Adishiaye is good, and I'm encouraging people to join literacy programs, and I'm also pleading with the government and other NGOs to invest more in literacy programs, because there are a lot of people out there who need more literacy so that they can at least read and write, to do something. I mean, it can help the country. So that is it. Thank you very much.